It's that wonderful time of year again where Hobby Lobby has aisles stocked with Christmas and holiday items. I visited Hobby Lobby to see what kind of miniature Christmas goodies I can find to decorate my dollhouse. A lot of their miniature holiday decorations are scattered throughout the store in various aisles. This aisle is filled with their My Little Christmas merchandise, which are perfect for dollhouse miniatures in 1/12 and 1/6 scale. In their new merchandise, I'm noticing a lot of bright colors as well as pastel colors this year. All of the Christmas merchandise is currently 50% off, so all the prices that you see here listed are half off, and I believe the sale goes on through Christmas. I'm seeing that they have a lot of miniature animals and pets, a lot of miniature dogs, as well as some really cool miniature food items like these. You can easily turn these into some dollhouse miniatures by removing the charm. They have some cute little mice in dresses, some little elves in some hats, and llamas, and they have a large variety of tree skirts. There's even some cute gingerbreads on the side, and they have some metallic pastel garlands. Lots of garlands. I love the gumdrop ones. Those are so cute to do like a whole entire miniature candy-themed tree. And these look new this year. They are so cute. Some gifts in different shapes and wrapped in pretty pink wrapping paper. Some more of the candy theme ornaments. They really expanded in the candy ornaments this year. These miniature gingerbreads would also make a great decoration inside of a dollhouse, like if you place them on a couch to look like a gingerbread pillow. Some more adorable dogs. I love that set. Some sports themes of all kinds of miniature sport ornaments. There's some footballs and baseballs, soccer balls. You can do an entire miniature sports themed tree. And they have tons of characters too. I have not seen this before. These look like miniature Star Wars ornaments, some from Peanuts and Marvel. And over on the left side, I'm seeing even more miniature tree skirts and garlands. There's some miniature wiener dogs wrapped around in a red scarf. You could really do an entire tree dedicated to your dog or pet. And here are some sparkly miniature hats and some adorable little felt forest animals. They have these miniature lanterns that come in many different colors with a bow on top of them. They have a large variety of miniature bows. I really like these plaid ones. Okay, these miniature trees are definitely my favorite. At half off, they're only $1.50 and you get so many different sparkly colors. These miniature plaid wrapped presents would go great with those miniature plaid bows that we saw earlier. And here are some dog framed Christmas ornaments. They even have a miniature plaid Christmas tree skirt to go with that plaid theme. And here are some miniature string lights. I also really like all of their miniature felt animals. It has a really rustic feel to them. There are some miniature fabric hats. I wonder if these would actually fit some dolls, like maybe some Barbies. And to the left, they have even more garlands and some more bulb ornaments. These miniature trees are great too. They already have ornaments glued on them. You can also make an entire snowflake themed tree with all these different snowflake decorations. They also have a large variety of different tree toppers to go with whatever theme you're going to make your miniature tree. This is my favorite aisle to find all of the miniature Christmas items. The rest I'm going to have to go scavenge around Hobby Lobby to find. On this side aisle, I found some miniature charms that can easily be turned into some dollhouse miniatures. These are all Christmas jewelry making components, but I always love using charms as miniatures. You can use these charms to decorate your miniature tree. They make some really great ornaments. These clay slices are really great to use in miniatures. These can look like miniature cookies on a plate. They have these miniature candy canes made from clay, and I think these ones look the most realistic that I have found in the store so far. They have lots of different confetti, many different Christmas themed beads that could easily be turned into a dollhouse miniature. There's a large variety of Christmas themed stickers. I also love incorporating some stickers into my dollhouse miniatures. I really like the 3D stickers the most because some of those bows can be used to decorate miniature presents, or some of these can make great wall decorations. They have these miniature basket banners that you can use to hang on your dollhouse wall instead. Here's one that says Merry Christmas, and here's one that's a snow theme that says Let It Snow. I found some more Christmas themed crafts on one of the side aisles. They have some of these miniature snowmen made from felt, as well as little Santa hats and miniature Santas. Some of these little signs would look really great to place on top of a dollhouse shelf, or just to decorate in a miniature dollhouse kitchen. These miniature bow stickers would be really great to place on top of a miniature gift. These scrapbook paper packs are really great to use to wrap miniature presents, so I like using these as wrapping paper. I found even more miniature Christmas crafts all the way in the back of the store on a side aisle. These Christmas themed buttons work really great as miniature cookie cutters. There's a pack of these metallic candy canes, and at half off, this is only $1 for 20 candy canes. They have these miniature snowman figures. These make really great decorations anywhere inside your dollhouse, especially if you decide to go with a snow theme. I'm actually going to grab a couple of these for myself because I really like them. They have some more figures, some miniature gingerbread figures, some tiny Santas, and some more snowmen. There are some of these miniature trees with ornaments on them already. I think I'll also grab a pair of these. I also really like those miniature cars with the tree in the back of the truck bed. There's even an entire Santa suit and miniature Santa hats. Even have supplies to make a miniature snowman. They have the little pieces of coal and a set with the hat, scarves, and gloves. Moving over to the side aisle, they have some miniature trees and some even smaller one, some tiny little wreaths that look like they have snow on them with bows, and there's even some miniature pine cones. And these here at the bottom would make really great garlands. If you glue on some beads, they'll look like really cute Christmas garlands. Now, going through some of the rest of the Christmas aisles, I found tons of miniature houses. You can even make an entire miniature Christmas village with all the little tiny houses. These little TVs with a miniature Christmas scene inside are one of my favorites this year. I have not seen this before. These are so cute. Going into some of the other aisles, I found even more miniature Christmas themed houses. A lot of their houses have tons of glitter, which I tend to stay away from their very glittery objects because it makes a mess in my house, and then that's one less thing to have to clean. And these little red homes actually light up, which I think is a really fun detail. The only negative about these is that they have a ton of loose glitter, which I'm trying to avoid. I also like these pre-decorated trees. It looks like they have snow on them and many different decorations. They have so many different miniature trees this year that come in all sorts of different sizes. And again, with half off, this is a really great deal. These ones, the snow is actually glued on styrofoam, which can get very messy, but it looks very realistic. The styrofoam is actually going everywhere. And going further down the aisle, they have some more of these miniature homes that light up. There are some miniature trees made entirely out of wood. And here are some more of these pipe cleaner looking trees. These ones are actually my favorite. I find them the easiest to work with. They have a good amount of different sizes of Christmas themed cars. I love these miniature trucks with a Christmas tree in back. They even have a miniature pink car. I'm not sure if Barbie could fit in this. It actually looks like it'd be too small, but that would be a really cute Barbie car. They also have a miniature wooden wagon with a little tree glued inside. This entire aisle was miniature pastel gingerbread themed. All this stuff is just too cute. I love pastels and I love all the miniature gingerbreads. I would have gotten this, but again, it has the glitter that comes off and I'm trying to avoid having messes in my house. It is so cute though, and it lights up. And they placed this miniature Christmas tree in a cupcake holder, which just goes with the overall pastel gingerbread theme. So many pastel colored Christmas trees. I really wish I went with a pastel theme this year, but maybe next year I'll go with a pastel theme. And here's another miniature pastel gingerbread house. This one's actually an ornament, and at half off, it's only $4.99. They have so many miniature food items too. Those food items look really realistic. Those are all the miniature Christmas themed dollhouse items I could find around Hobby Lobby this year. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.